It's got Wessex Blades. Using wood that I harvested from the garden, left the season for a year. Get your own spalted hardwood ferro rod handles. So once you've finished a big processing job like that, make sure you close down, keep the extractor on, keep your mask on until you've finished the last few minutes of finishing on what you're doing. Then get in and have a shower, change your clothes and get all that dust gone. Alright, get your clothes in the wash, because you don't know whether or not you're sensitive to any of that weird wood dust. Alright, so I've gone away, had a shower. So all that pieces of wood now that are suitable for staying as ferro rod handles will be in a box and drying. The rest will be firewood, and over the next couple of weeks, once they're dried thoroughly, I could pick the best ones and then stabilize them, because it's only really worth investing in the very best ones, because the spalted wood really soaks up a lot of the stabilization fluid. So I'll go through and ascertain the best ones, and then do a whole tube of those for some really nice ferro rod handles. So thanks for joining me. That's how I basically created my own spalted wood, leaving it in the garden for about 6 months, and then choosing a time when some of them are just going over a bit too punky, and the rest of it are definitely done. It's just fitting in time with the workshop and everything else with garden left, right and centre. I just chose the day was the day that I was going to do it, and so in the next few months hopefully you'll see those coming through. Hope you enjoyed that. It's got Wessex Blades out, and check out the other 2 vids if you want to.